Hey music lovers, welcome back. Today we're talking about the unstoppable duo that's taking over the music scene, Bruno Mars and Rosé. I mean, Bruno Mars has been killing the game for over a decade now. His debut album, Doo-Wops and Hooligans, was a total game changer, and hits like Just the Way You Are and Grenade still get us singing along to this day. But what really sets him apart is his unique sound. It's like a fusion of pop, rock, and R&B that just works. And then there's Rosé, who got her start as a member of the K-pop group BlackPink. She's got some serious pipes on her, and her solo debut single, On the Ground, was a total banger. I love how she's not afraid to experiment with different styles and sounds, so when you put these two talented artists together, you get something really special. Their collaboration, Apt, is literally everywhere right now, and for good reason. It's catchy, it's sultry, and it's just plain fun. But what I think really makes Apt stand out is the way it blends Bruno Mars retro vibes with Rosé's modern K-pop sound. It's like a match made in heaven. The way their voices come together is just magic. And let's not forget the music video. It's like a work of art. The visuals are stunning, and the choreography is on point. I love how they incorporated elements of Korean culture into the video. It's such a great way to showcase Rosé's heritage. I'm so hyped to see what Bruno Mars and Rosé come up with next. They're both such innovators in their own way, and I know they're going to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in music. But what do you guys think? Are you loving Apt as much as I am? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more music content. Now, I want to take a closer look at the lyrics of Apt. What do you think the song is really about? Is it a love song or is it something more? Here's the updated script from Let's Dive In and Explore the Meaning Behind the Lyrics. Let's dive in and explore the meaning behind the lyrics. The song, Apt, by Rosé and Bruno Mars, appears to be about a romantic and intimate relationship. The lyrics suggest a desire for physical closeness and emotional connection. In the verse, Rosé sings about sending kissy face emojis and wanting to kiss your lips for real. This suggests a playful and flirtatious tone, but also a desire for something more meaningful. The chorus, with its repetition of the phrase apatu, is more ambiguous. The word apatu is Korean for apartment, but in this context, it seems to be used as a metaphor for a private and intimate space. The lyrics also touch on the idea of living in the moment and letting go of inhibitions. In the pre-chorus, Rosé and Bruno Mars sing about sleeping tomorrow and going crazy tonight. This suggests a desire to escape the stresses and responsibilities of everyday life and indulge in pleasure. Throughout the song, there are also references to Korean culture, such as the use of Korean phrases like "jiunbae," which means cheers. This adds a unique and interesting layer to the song and highlights the blend of different cultural influences. Overall, the lyrics of Apt Dog suggest a song that is both playful and intimate, with a focus on romance, desire, and living in the moment. I'm so hyped to see what Bruno Mars and Rosé come up with next. They're both such innovators in their own way, and I know they're going to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in music. But what do you guys think? Are you loving Apt as much as I am? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more music content. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more music content.